Got this tube sealant to prevent and repair flat tyres, and this is enough for 2 tyres. Put the valve at the top. Use the lid to remove the valve core by rotating anti-clockwise. Let the air out. Remove any foreign objects. Attach the hose and squeeze in the slime. Reinstall, put the valve core back, then pump it back up and then spin the tyre around. So I've put the valve at the top as instructed. So to screw off the little cap, and I'm going to take the lid. So can you see that horizontal bar? Just match that up with the horizontal end of the cap. I think you push it all the way in and then turn it. There you go. You hear a little hiss. Hold it in place, it will probably try and shoot out at you. So remove all the air. There's a valve core. I've already damaged my tool. It would have been better if they gave you a metal tool. Just push the tube, supply tube that was in there, push that on as firm as possible. That's gone down all the way nice and secure. Do the same here, and then I will start to squeeze this into the tube. About half for each tyre. Okay, it will help to unscrew the cap, actually. Unscrew the cap and take off the seal. Otherwise it's not possible. That seal's there to stop it from drying out, mixing with the air and drying out. So screw that back on tight. Okay, here goes. I've got to try and put in about half the amount. So it would actually help if I had the bottle turned like this so I can see how much I've got left. Right, so I've got, it's up to there. So I want to put in until it gets to about halfway in between that red mark there. Right, let's try this. That is going in. It is moving. The black dots help to show that it is flowing, otherwise it'd be very difficult to tell. Little specks. So it is going in quite. I'm not pressing too hard because I don't want that hose to give way, get all over the carpet. Probably should have done this on top of some newspaper. Okay, just stretch out the bottle. Nearly half done, so keep going. Just a bit more. You can see it's planning to go up to the red mark there, and there we go. Let that drip back down, so for minimal mess. I'm not sure if this part is necessary, but I'm just going to clean the excess out of the mouth of the valve because I don't want it gunked up. Just going to clean that slightly more. Push this firmly back in and then just turn it clockwise, I suppose, till I can turn no more. I think that's probably why it's plastic, so you can't over tighten it, but I heard you can get metal valve removal tools. So I've got this mini foot pump for about £6, and I'm just going to inflate as per the spec on the side of the tyre. says 25 to 45 psi. I'm going to go for about 35 psi. It's got a handy little gauge here to tell me the pressure. So I'll stand on this side and pump on that side with my foot. Okay, so we're inflated to 30 psi or 35 psi, and I'm going to put the little cap back on and then rotate the tyre, and job done.